Cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane. It is found in all cells and it separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. Cell membrane consists of a lipid bilayer that is semi-permeable, means a biological membrane that allows certain molecules or ions to pass through it. The cell membrane regulates the transport of material entering and exiting the cell. सेल मेम्ब्रेन का काम होता है किसी भी मटेरियल को सेल के अंदर जाने और बाहर आने को रेगुलेट करने का. Both prokaryotes and eukaryotes have cell membrane. Cell membrane composed of protein and lipid. Function of a cell: keep a cell intact. Second, protective barrier. Third one, it regulates transport in and out of cell. Fourth one, small lipid soluble molecules can pass easily, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Fourth one, water can freely cross the membrane.